Chica. Hi. Bree. Chica. Where's that? Where's that? Hi, honey. You know it's unfair? Chica has a Tempur-Pedic bed. And I don't even.
Chica's getting old and she has...
Chica is not old. Chica is not old.
Yes, she is.
No, she's not.
You want to close that, please?
Close what? The fire? Okay. I love you, Chica. Oh, look at that tail. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi to your fans.